Okay, welcome back to Mr. Kevin's class. Today we're going to be looking at there, which are homophones. Let's have a quick look. So homophones sound the same but are spelled differently and have a different meaning. Now this guy here, he made an oopsie. There is no reason for the US consumer to pay the tariffs. Have a look and I'll tell you later. Here we go.
Today we're gonna teach you about a common writing error, the differences among the forms of there and there and there. So sit your ass right down and let us sing the song to you, cause teaching others grammar is the thing we like to do. Now there, that's T-H-E-R-E, just demonstrates direction. That's right, and there, that's T-H-E-I-R, just signifies possession.
And there with an apostrophe just means two words are joined.
And now you know these rules, it's time we hit you in the groin with a hammer to your groin. A hammer,
Yikes,
a hammer to your loins. We're sorry that you have to die in such a messed up fashion, but teaching...
Groin and loins, there's a problem. They both have to do with the sexual anyway. So there as an adverb. Wait there until I get back. It's the opposite of here. There is an interjection. There. That didn't hurt at all. There is a pronoun. It's the most common thing. There's a cat in the hat. It's just something in the front to introduce the subject. There shows possession. T-H-E-I-R. Their students passed the exam. There is a contraction. They plus are there. They're the cutest puppies. And here's the doofus that made an error. There, not there. T-H-E-R-E, not T-H-E-I-R. What an oopsie. And you know this guy. That's Donald J. Trump. Anyway, that's the end of my video. Thank you very much. So, please, subscribe to Jack's Films. He did the lovely animation. You like the video, like, subscribe, and more importantly, leave a comment. In the next video, we're going to be looking at a Game of Thrones. I have a new theory, and I think it's a good one. So tune in for that, and I'll see you later. Thank you very much. Okay, goodbye.